Step by step, folks. The iPhone's video capabilities are skyrocketing faster than a SpaceX launch. I took the spanking new iPhone 15 Pro Max for a spin, recording directly onto a USB-C drive and stabilizing it on a tripod. I shot in ProRes Log and then jazzed it up in Resolve for that HDR goodness. Why? Because I wanted to see if this pocket-sized powerhouse could replace my Red Ranger 8K in those tight spots where lugging around a big camera is a no-go. Worried about compression artifacts in water? With ProRes, they're as subtle as a whisper. Your YouTube experience may vary, but from my end, the results are pretty darn compelling. The dynamic range and log recording keep those reflective green leaves in check. This scene is the piece of resistance of my day. It's like the iPhone captured a Bob Ross painting. Every detail, from the sun rays to the underbridge shadows, is wonderfully captured. I was so gobsmacked by this iPhone wizardry, I had to lie down. The sky's kaleidoscope of colors and intricate details were a breath of fresh air until some falling leaves decided to photobomb my Zen moment. Back on my feet and still floored by this tech marvel. What's your take on these visuals? I'll be happy to read it in the comments. For my next trick, behold these mossy twins. I had a mini tripod and didn't fuss much, but would you look at that detail? A few years ago, this would have been unthinkable for a phone camera. Now, it's reality. Zoomed in a tad to crop out a pesky house, but even so, this wide-angle shot of a pond holds its own. It's not jaw-dropping, but wait, there's more. Switching to the 1x lens, things get spicier. The contrasts are popping like champagne corks at a wedding. Holy smokes, the 5x lens is a revelation. The details, the dynamic range, the slight halo around the highlights, it's cinematic gold. This lens is my new go-to on the iPhone, no question. For our grand finale, the camera tilts to capture water reflections in a topsy-turvy twist. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe. My next video is going to be a showstopper. I've got the Blackmagic camera app and some eye-popping early autumn scenes lined up for you.